Hello everyone and welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick lesson for you. We are going to see how to use être en train de in French. So in French we don't have the equivalent of the English continuous present, which means that when you say I am doing something, for us we only have technically the present tense. So je fais, okay? But we can emphasize that by using être en train de. Before I explain you a little bit more, don't forget that you can grab your free PDF just to keep and review. All my lessons have a free PDF beside my courses. So don't forget to grab it before we start. So like I said, if you want to emphasize an ongoing action, you can use être plus en train plus de plus an infinitive verb. It translates to be in the process of doing something, but technically it's just the English continuous present. So to be ink. That's just what it is. Être can be conjugated in the present tense or in the imparfait to talk about what you were doing when something else happened. We are going to see examples for both conjugations, so don't worry. Quick note, because I know some of you are gonna ask. Train is also the word for train, train, but this expression has nothing to do with trains and rails, okay? It's an expression, that's all it is. So let's see 5 examples in the present tense to start. Je suis en train de lire un livre. Je suis en train de lire un livre. I am reading a book. So here we want to emphasize that we are reading a book, simply. Okay? Nous sommes en train de nous préparer. Nous sommes en train de nous préparer. Le chat est en train de dormir. Le chat est en train de dormir. Mon père est en train de préparer le dîner. Mon père est en train de préparer le dîner. Ma sœur est en train de tondre la pelouse. Ma sœur est en train de tondre la pelouse. So you see, it's fairly easy. All you have to do is insert être en train de, you conjugate être in the present tense, and then you follow by the infinitive verb. Very easy. The sentence structure is incredibly easy. Now if we see the same examples but in the imparfait, we are going to have être en train de, but we are going to have another action in the sentence to say that something happened. J'étais en train de lire un livre quand il est arrivé. J'étais en train de lire un livre quand il est arrivé. So here we have the passé composé. J'étais en train de lire un livre quand il est arrivé. Nous étions en train de nous préparer quand le téléphone a sonné. Nous étions en train de nous préparer quand le téléphone a sonné. Le chat était en train de dormir quand le chien a aboyé. Le chat était en train de dormir quand le chien a aboyé. Mon père était en train de préparer le dîner quand il y a eu une coupure de courant. Mon père était en train de préparer le dîner quand il y a eu une coupure de courant. Ma sœur était en train de tondre la pelouse quand il a commencé à pleuvoir. Ma sœur était en train de tondre la pelouse quand il a commencé à pleuvoir. That's it. That's as simple as that. I told you it was an easy lesson and a short lesson. Very easy to understand. Just use it if you want to emphasize what you're doing at the moment or what you were doing when something else happens. Please don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section if there's a video you would like me to make about something specific like être en train de, or if you have any question, I'm always happy to help you. That's it. Thank you for joining me for this French lesson, and I will see you next Wednesday for a new lesson. À mercredi prochain.